Welcome to Voromotors. Today we'll be showing you how to replace the thumb throttle on the EMOVE RoadRunner. These steps will work for both the original RoadRunner as well as the RoadRunner 2. For these tasks, you'll need a 3 and 5mm hex key, scissors, a pin removal tool, flexible wire, tape, and a knife. To begin, use the 5mm hex key to unscrew the 4 screws on the bottom of the seat. Move the seat out of the way and locate the throttle connector. It will have red, green, black, yellow, and blue wires plugged into a white connector. Cut any zip ties that are in the way and disconnect the throttle wire. Be sure to take a reference photo of the connections. You can snip the wire, but we're going to de-pin it. Next, debraid the throttle line. Slowly pull the throttle cable out. Remove the right grip. Then, with a 3mm hex key, loosen the throttle so you can slide it off and fully remove it from your scooter. Take your new throttle and slide it into the handlebar. Semi-tighten it with your 3mm hex key. To test your new throttle, pin the wires into the white connector. The red will connect to the red, yellow to green, and black to black. The last 2 wires, yellow and blue, will determine the single and dual motor functions. Try connecting yellow to yellow and blue to blue first. Then power on your scooter and test both the single and dual motor functions. Sometimes the buttons are flipped, so if that's the case, swap the yellow to blue and the blue to yellow. Take a picture of the orientation of the wires and disconnect them from the white connector. Take a flexible wire and feed it through the right tube. Tape the throttle line to your wire and slowly pull it through until it reaches the controller box. Take a knife and lift the locking pins. Insert the pins into the black connector in the same orientation as earlier. Plug it into the white connector and power on your scooter to test that everything functions properly. Organize the wires and place the seat back into its position. Line up the holes of the seat and screw it in place with your 5mm hex key. Reinsert your grip and fully tighten your throttle. Wrap the braid on the bottom end of your cables a couple times and push it into the tube. Then complete wrapping the braid. And that's it! Your brand new RoadRunner thumb throttle is good to go. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our customer support team at Voromotors.com. Have any tutorials you'd like to see? Make sure to leave them in the comment section below. Until then, safe riding.